Hi everybody, this is Mr. Lang, and this is your Conceptual Algebra 2 weekly update for the week of September 21st to the 25th. Starting our second week of school. Most of you guys have at least done a couple assignments already, that's great. People that have not got logged in yet at all, you're behind and you need to get going. If I haven't seen any work or anything by like Wednesday, I am going to start contacting parents and counselors to make sure you guys get on track. So, learning topics for the week. Monday, we have a quiz, solving 1- and 2-step equations. There's a time limit on that, so when you start it, you have to finish in one sitting. There are 2 attempts per question, so if you get it wrong the first time, you get another shot at it. And do your best, okay? Tuesday is solving 3-step equations with like terms. It was Tuesday. Thursday is solve 3-step equations with x's on both sides of the equal sign, and Friday is solving 3-step equations with distribution. Pretty straightforward, nothing too difficult on those days, so let's just keep rolling. Schedule for the week. Monday is an optional sync class meeting, so if you'd like to stop by and get some help, feel free to stop in, but it's optional. You should be taking your quiz that day. Wednesday, remember, is a catch-up or get-ahead day. And Thursday, we're going to do a mandatory sync class meeting in the morning, okay? So I expect to see everybody there. Remember, you can work ahead as well. And keep this in mind, all Unit 1 assignments are due October 4th, because that'll be the end of this unit, okay? After that, I turn them off, and that's it. You won't have access to those anymore, okay? Remember, homework tips. Each assignment starts with a video. You should watch it. Redo questions as many times as necessary before the due date for full credit. Remember, there's a notes and a calculator icon that you can click on in resources, so you can read over the notes as you do the homework assignments. The notes are also on the quiz, so you can use them there too, for any quizzes. And if you're stuck, remember, watch the video attached to the questions, read over the notes resource again, or email me. All right, have a great week, and I will see all of you on Thursday, but feel free to drop in Monday if you want.